λίγο με ζεστό νερό.
So that's your yeast. We're making
Yeast
it
with
water and yeast. So mixing it together. You're going to put next your corn oil. A cup of corn oil. Cup of your juice. We're using a apple.
orange juice.
Okay, whatever juice you can. Yeah. A cup of sugar. So we turn them, mix them together. So we're adding a cup of flour in. So you continue mixing. So we're still going to add in flour. So we're putting the fruits in. It's a cake with a lot of fruits. Fanouropita. That's walnut. Just pour in the walnuts. They blended it for a while before it's in. So we have almond already peeled.
Half of them.
So we're going to use, let's say, 20 gram. So the almond is poured in. So we're putting in cinnamon, a quarter of a teaspoon.
Mm.
Smells nice.
One more.
So we're using one more cup.
A little more. Half.
So we're putting half cup more. I'll be adding the quantity to the description box so that we'll be able to get it more.
That's it. Now it's ready.
Okay, it's
It's
ready now.
ready.
It's thickened.
Yes.
So we're going to be pouring it in our baking pan already oiled.
Make a cross.
So she's making a cross. Fanouropita is a cake that we use in the church. We take it to the church for blessing, and when it's blessed, then you share with your loved ones, with your family, with your friends. So it's a great traditional cake for the church.
All good.
So we're going to be putting it in the oven for 180 degree with head for to bake. So it's going to be baking for 45 minutes. Okay.